Hello guys, it's Yorkshire Pyro here. I'm doing a Firework Stash number 2 for 2018. Just a quick run through to see what I've got. I really do miss uploading on the channel like I used to before, so I thought, you know, let's make a video for its sake, why not? Okay, so let's start off with Thunderstrike from Carta Fireworks. I think this was, I can't remember now, around £20 if I'm not mistaken. It has a, sorry about stifling, if you want to pause the video and read the effects, then you're more than welcome to. 720 grams of powder, and it's not even that much of a big cake to be quite honest, and it has a right load of powder in it. You know, so that should be really good, really loud, which I'm looking forward to setting off. 2 Thunderbolts. I can't remember if these are buy one get one free from Galactic Fireworks, I really can't remember, but yeah, they're really good. I think they're like the big brother of Proton Bomb. I want to focus. There we go. The effects. Where's the powder? Well, I'm sure you can see it if you pause the video, but I don't want to be too long. We'll move on to rockets soon. Okay. Got the Hitman. Again, I think it's Galactic Fireworks' own brand. The videos look really impressive, so I was going to get it last year, but I never got around to. So I definitely got it this year. This is an absolute huge cake. Just a comparison. Hang on. I'd probably say it's twice size from the Strike. Let's have a look how much powder it has. And that's the effects there. It has 619.2 grams, and that has 720 or something like that. You know, so this size comparison is really good on that. Okay. Let's move on to the illegal fireworks. Well, the 2 only legal fireworks I've got. Joking. I've got the Titan Blitz 3 crackling and the FP3. Not sure if they're the original ones. Can't tell you, so I'm not going to say they are. But yeah, they're really good. Dumb bum shot tubes. I've heard bad and good reviews about these, but you know, anything to do with dumb bum I like. Oh, excuse me. Panther. This is from Bomber Shop, and it is a huge cake, and it is bloody hell, I can't read this. I mean, you can pause the video if you want to read it, find out how much powder it has. I'm not really going to waste that much time. Oh, hang on. 49 shot. Multi-core stars with titanium salute. 441 grams of powder. You know, I can't complain. Let's put these back. So if I keep sniffling, guys, I still got a bad cold. So, Scala from Funky, probably pronounced it wrong, but oh well. 500 grams of powder, really good cake. Just did it unboxing with that. Frankenstein, 1.4G from Classic, one of my most favourite makers of fireworks, along with Primed. 35 seconds it lasts for. So look how much grams of powder. Again, if you want to pause it and try to find it, I'm not going to waste too much time, otherwise the video will be too long. China Star from Galactic Fireworks, from Celtic, however you want to pronounce it. Really good, recommend it. This has effects, 49 shot white strobe with red. Where's the powder? So, but yeah, 680 grams of powder. For a small cake and all, you know, it's got so much powder in it. Let me quickly move this out of the way. Now we've got the absolute monster, which I can't wait to set off. This is Fireball XXL. 16 shot, 80 metre high, 50mm tubes, which I'm sure is 2 inch. Probably wrong again, but oh well. Yeah, it's absolutely massive. Huge buzz. Okay, so let's have a quick look. 632 grams of powder. Yeah, recommend it. Really good. The only small cakes which I've got are these two. Well, these four, sorry. And these are from Bomber Shop. I think these were like on sale at the time for like a 10 off maybe. I really can't remember. But let's have a look. Made by Brothers Pyrotechnics. It has 132.5 grams of powder. Category 2. Yeah, really good. Pause the video if you want to read the effects, or if it's not even an effects. Oh, yeah, it is. Right. Next, we'll move on to Jewel of the Nile. I think I had this a few years ago from JTF, but Galactic Fireworks now sell them. Blue Tail Burst to blue and red glitter. Rapid Finale. 172 grams of powder. Yeah. He's trying to budget. Not wrong with these fireworks. Really good. I mean, I'm not on a budget, but I still got them because I like them, so yeah, I recommend them. Right, this video is going to be a long one, guys. Again, you've probably seen this in my recent video. I did an unboxing from Bomber Shop. This is Iracus. I think that's how you pronounce it. Can't really read it because it's in like Polish or something, but the powder, 27 shots. Well, yeah, it's a really good firework. I mean, you can just look up it on YouTube. It's got titanium salutes, big bursts, so I just thought I'd get it. I saw it last year, but they sold out really quick, so I'll pick one up quick. Oh my god, 100 shot barrage from Brothers, and this is a really good cake. I 100% recommend this. 965 grams of powder. You can pause it if you want and just read that. Really good firework. Now we have the brocade war, but it's in like a mesh, so can't be asked to get that out just yet. Let's move on to the rockets quick. I'll be getting more rockets, don't worry. Got the brocade crown rockets from Bomber Shop, but all the sticks have been snapped to fit in the box, so I don't know if that's going to affect how they go. I'm kind of scared to set them off. Same with the Dum Bum rockets, the sticks have been snapped off, so I'm kind of scared to set them off because I've been told the sticks give it stability and you're not supposed to mess with them. But Supernova, probably get a few more of these. Metal Warriors, I've already set one off. Really good. Let's move on, last but not least, let's move on to the shells I've got. So yeah, had them last year. Honestly, probably best shells I could buy. But obviously I've set 4 off already. That's how good they are, I can't resist. And the new ones, which I've never tried before, is Scream shells. Hello Reflection. 75mm. I think these are just a tiny little bit bigger than the Hulk Extreme shells, so if you want to see a demonstration video on these, let me know. And what do you think, dog? Do you like the fireworks? What's up? Yep, she agrees. But yeah guys, this has been a very long video of me sniffling and doing a shit video again, but hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, like and comment. If there's any fireworks you want to see a demonstration video of, you know, let me know. I'll be more than glad to do it. So yeah guys, see you in the next video. Peace.